iPad and laptop loans offer convenient, portable access to the university network. Devices are available from Main Library and the AGLC and are for use within the issuing site library only. To borrow a laptop or iPad from our laptop loan lockers, first select the loan option, swipe your student card on the terminal in front of the lockers, and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Go to the locker indicated on the screen. Swipe your card again, but this time on the locker door. Open the door, unplug the device, remove it from the locker, and then close the door. To return a laptop or iPad, select the return option, swipe your library card on the terminal in front of the lockers, go to the locker indicated on the screen, put the device inside and plug in the power cable and network cable. Don't forget, if the locker's power cable is not plugged into the laptop or iPad when it's returned, it will still be registered as on loan to you, so always make sure it's plugged back in. If you need any help using the machines, please contact a member of staff.